All right, time to talk business in Vancouver with Bela Lazarus in from BIV.com. And we're talking about this hour, Bela, about something called the BC Safety Charter Roundtable. It's happening tomorrow.
That's right.
Which sounds extraordinarily dull, to be totally honest. But Trevor Linden and Brett Wilson are involved for some reason. So what is this and how do they get involved?
So BC Safety Charter, as the words imply, the goal is to have more safety in the workplace. Essentially, they're aiming for long-term profitability. They want businesses to have long-term profitability and sustainability. And the way they want to do this is by ensuring that there is more attention placed on safety in the workplace. You asked about Trevor Linden and Brett Wilson. Well, they're both known as philanthropists, of course, but as well, Trevor Linden, of course, knows about safety in his own workspace. He does own businesses. His whole life has been about maintaining safety and free of injury. And so they've connected with the BC Safety Charter, and tomorrow they're going to be speaking at the roundtable.
So both of them will be Linden and Brett Wilson. Okay,
That's right.
So how does staying safe, how does increasing workplace safety improve a business's bottom line?
So what you're aiming to do is reduce the amount of money that you're losing because of issues around workplace injury. So this whole thing started with the BC food processors or manufacturers, and what they noticed was that there was a high rate of injury in the industry. Approximately at the time, it was at 2008, 6 workers per 100, so around 6%. So they worked around various issues to be able to reduce that amount of injury, the percentage, down to 4%, and they got savings of about $8 million because of it through 2008 to 2010. So that basically shows that there is money in looking at safety issues.
That's incredible. So are businesses aware of how much they can save if they take these, what are probably fairly simple measures?
Yes, and in fact, that's one of the goals of the Safety Charter. They want to address these issues at the high level. They want to make sure CEOs, presidents all know that there's money there's to be had in terms of savings, and that's why they're trying to get people to sign on to this charter, and they're aiming for 150 signatures by 2015.
All right, well, they've got some star power, that's for sure.
That's right.
Thanks a lot, Bela. You can get more on BIV.com. We'll talk with Bela again in our next hour.